Hi guys, it's Charlie Wheels here, and today I will be unboxing and giving a quick review of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7. Stick around. In the box, there's a charger, USB cable, user manual. There's also the phone casing made of like silicone material. And yeah, that's about it. And yes, no earbuds, Xiaomi. The device looks and feels thick. I mean, it weighs about 186 grams. This is the black colored Redmi Note 7. It has a plastic back with 2.5D curved reflective glass back cover. Speaking of glass cover, one of the most talked about things of the Note 7 is its protection. The device boasts of a Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and there have been videos putting this to the test by Xiaomi, and I might just try that out in this video, right? But just before you exert any physical harm on the device, you might want to go through your warranty thoroughly. Disclaimer. On the body of the device, there's the speaker grill and USB port at the bottom, 3.5mm headphone jack at the top, volume rocker and power button on one side, while the other side has a SIM card and SD card slot. To the front, there's a tiny dewdrop which houses the front camera, and then the dual rear camera, flash and fingerprint scanner at the back. Powering on the device, the display looks good. It has a 6.3-inch Full HD with a screen resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. Navigating through the phone, the apps are really responsive. It was so responsive, guys. That's me checking out the display, watching the John Wick 3 trailer with no interference from the nudge. Quite nice. Setting up the device was quite swift as I tried out the fingerprint sensor. Really responsive. The Redmi Note 7 operates on Qualcomm 660, which features Android 9 Pie with 6GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. The battery of this phone, guys, the battery of this phone is 4000 mAh. That's a lot, especially for a mid-range phone. And although the charger isn't fast charging, it does support fast charging. So, to arguably the most talked about thing about the Redmi Note 7, the camera. The camera features a 48MP plus 5MP dual rear camera and 12MP front-facing camera. The Redmi Note 7 and Note 7 Pro are the first Redmi phones to feature 48MP, so that's major. Couple of modes here, including the panorama and the Pro, and actually it's the Pro that gives you the 48MP. Here are a few shots taken in default photo mode with the studio lights on and all the lights off. I also test for audio quality, and I wasn't so impressed with the audio quality of the Redmi Note 7. The volume sounded really low, but here's a video playback of the recording I did. This is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7, and I'm testing for audio quality. So I'll play this back to hear how it sounds.
Why for the paper, why for that?
In all, for a mid-range phone priced at 57,000 naira, given its features, it's really impressive, super impressive. Xiaomi went all out for this one. That's it, guys. Let me know your thoughts on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7. All of it. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on all our social media handles at TechCity NG. Thanks for watching.